Hello guys, yan ang yate guys, oh, kasi kumuhuli ng tuna dito sa Gulf of Mexico. Yahoo! Ang ganda guys ang background kasi nandito yung sunrise ngayon guys. Yo, welcome to my YouTube channel, my reels. Please subscribe. Please help me to follow, like, and share my reels so that it can help to other people. If someday Mita give me a chance to have a income, I will share it to the opportunate opportunate these people in our country. Mabuhay ka Tatay Digong, we always love you, care for you, concern and care for you always Tatay Digong. Mabuhay. God bless us and more power. This is DJ Freeman Vlog, my YT. Bye bye. See you my next reel.